Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 3 from paper January 2022, Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. Question number 3 is f of x equals to x plus root 2 whole squared plus 3x minus 5 root 8 whole squared. Okay, express f of x in form of this. Okay, basically we need to expand brackets here. Alright, so let's have a look. Copy down the question first. First part. So f of x equals to x plus root 2 whole squared plus 3x minus 5 root 8. Okay, let's first expand the first term. So x plus root 2, it is whole squared. You can write it in a double bracket and then expand it, or you can just use the formula of a plus b whole squared. Okay, and we know this formula is equals to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay, I'm gonna use this formula here. You can do you can expand double brackets, it's up to you. So let's use this formula because I feel this is easier and it gives you the simplified answer. So x is a and root 2 is b here. So x squared plus root 2 squared plus 2 into x into root 2. Alright, so x squared plus 2 root 2x. This is my first term. Now if I expand the second term, 3x minus 5 root 8, I can write it as, because a is 3x and b is 5 root 8. This is a minus b whole squared formula, and this is equals to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Right? So a is 3x, so I can write 3x as 3x squared plus 5 root 8 whole squared minus 2 into 3x into 5 root 8. Alright, it's time to simplify. 9x squared plus 5 raised to power 2 is 25, and 25 times 8. 25 times 8 is 200. And 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. X root 8x. Okay, and I can also simplify root 8. So this root 8 is basically, this will be I can write down root 8 as 2 root 2. Right? So copy it down. Then 9x squared plus 200 minus 60 root 2x. Okay. So we need to add both the terms. So this is my first term. This is my second term. Let's add them together. X squared plus 9x squared is these two. I'll get here 10x squared. 200 plus 2 is 202. Minus, okay, 2 root 2 minus 60 root 2 is negative 58 root 2x. Okay, I need to give my answer in form of ax squared plus bx root 2 plus c. So let's rearrange a little bit. So this is 10x squared minus 58x root 2 and plus 202. This was the first part, and in the second part it says that solve root 3 into 4y minus 3 root 3 equals to 5y plus root 3 in form of p plus q root 3. Okay, so in the second part, first let's copy the question, then we'll discuss how to do it. Let's copy down the question. Question is root 3 into 4y minus 3 root 3 equals to 5y plus root 3. Okay, because I have to give my answer in form of p plus q root 3. So it means I will first expand bracket and then collect like terms. So multiplied 4 root 3y minus 3 root 3 times root 3 equals to 5y plus root 3. Okay, simplify it further. Root 3 times root 3 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9, and 5y plus root 3. So collect surd together. So 4 root 3, no, collect y together. Yes, collect y together minus 5y, because I have to solve for y, equals to root 3 plus 9. Alright, factorize it, take y common. 4 root 3 minus 5 equals to root 3 plus 9. So let's make y the subject, and 4 root 3 minus 5. Because I need to give my answer in form of p plus q root 3, so in this way I cannot keep my answer in with surd in a denominator, so I have to make my denominators a surd free denominator. So let's rationalize it. Let's rationalize here. 4 root 3 plus 5 over 4 root 3 plus 5. Okay, so let's multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Denominator, if you look at the denominator, we have 4 root 3 minus 5 and 4 root 3 plus 5. So this means that this is a minus b and this is a plus b, and I'm going to use the difference of squares formula, that is a squared minus b squared. Because why I'm using it, because it gives me the simplified answer. So 4 root 3, it means that 4 root 3 whole squared, and b is 5, and that is 5 squared. This is my denominator. In the numerator, definitely I'll multiply it. So 4 root 3 times root 3 is 4 times 3 is 12. And same, I multiply by 5, so that is 5 root 3. Okay. Plus 9 times 4 is 36. Yeah, now let's continue. So 9 times 4 is 36 root 3, and 9 times 5 is 45. Collect like terms. In the denominator, 12 plus 45, 57, and 36 plus 5 is 41 root 3. And the denominator we have is 4 times 4 squared is 16. 16 times 3 is 48 minus 25. Let's write down the numerator as it is, and 48 minus 25 is 23. Okay, I need to give my answer in form of p plus q root 3, where p and q are simplified fractions to be found. So these are fractions to be found. Okay, let's write down in form of a fraction, split in form of splitted fractions. So this is p and this is q, right? This was question number 3 from paper January 2022, Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful. If you want to watch more videos for the remaining questions from this paper, you can look into the playlist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AYS Math channel for more exam tips and math tutorials. Thank you.